Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Thursday, February 14. Effective today, Fayval Williams has assumed full responsibility for the Ministry of Science, Energy and Technology, MSET. Prime Minister Andrew Holness announced the promotion yesterday in a press release that revealed other administrative changes. Among them, Permanent Secretary Carol Palmer's reassignment from the Ministry of Justice to Science, Energy and Technology. Other Permanent Secretary changes include moving Sansia Bennett-Templer to the Ministry of Justice and Audrey Sewell assuming additional assignment at the Office of the Prime Minister. Prime Minister Andrew Holness also reassigned a number of his Ministers of State. Floyd Green is moving from Education to the Ministry of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries, while Orlando Terrelong will assume Mr. Green's former portfolio, as he is reassigned from the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport. The changes to ministry oversight takes effect the same day government outlined its policy and legislative agenda for the new parliamentary year, which began with this morning's ceremonial opening of Parliament. The Education Ministry says preparations are far advanced and going smoothly for the February 26 ability test for the Primary Exit Profile PEP. Portfolio Minister Senator Ruel Reid says the exam will be administered in 1,104 centers across the island, and the ministry is way advanced in having packages dispatched to the different regions.
Teachers are now ready. Teachers are aware that the different components of the test are fully ventilated. They have been active preparing the student by utilizing the material provided by the ministry in Haydn. They have been in preparation for several years. Teachers at the grade 6 level have been trained in assessing the NSC. Quality assurance officers have been deployed to all regions.
41,423 students in public and private schools have been registered for this year's sitting of PEP, with 21,548 of them being boys and 19,875 girls.
I want to encourage all the stakeholders to work diligently with our students, assure them of their confidence and that they will accredit themselves in this assessment. And so it's all about preparing our students much better for this fourth industrial revolution, creating students with critical thinking skills, analytical skills.
Minister Reid was addressing this week's post-cabinet media briefing. In other education news, the ministry has granted approval for institutions that are part of the Brain Builders program to register children as early as 3 years old instead of the current 3 years and 8 months old standard. Minister Ruel Reid made the announcement during his recent contribution to the State of the Nation debate in the Senate.
Those household helpers, those persons on path or minimum wage earners can go and earn. They don't have to worry about who's going to take care of their children or sacrifice the older siblings to take care of their children, because the state, the caring state, this administration will provide a facility for them to take care and stimulate their children while they go off to do productive activities. We're asking, Mr. President, that our Member of Parliament review and submit to us the school that they would like to become brain builder centers in their constituencies as soon as possible.
Minister Reid said since 2018, 32 of the planned 126 Brain Builder Centers have been established. Under the program, the Early Childhood Commission is responsible for establishing 2 Brain Builder Centers in each constituency to ensure that the nation's children get the best start. Persons who refuse to destroy mosquito breeding sites on their properties are being warned that they could face penalties. Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says the law allows for fines on individuals or business entities that reject warnings to eradicate such areas on their premises.
I believe the time has come, and you have reinforced that, whereas a government, whether this government or any other, we need to enforce the law. Because we're going to have to find all possible ways to create a behavioral change as the most effective weapon to controlling dengue.
The health minister was speaking at a town hall meeting held recently at the Heart Trust NTA's College of Construction Services in Portmore, St. Catherine. He was responding to complaints from vector control workers who report being prevented from accessing premises to carry out mosquito eradication activities. And finally, Sport Minister Olivia Grange says government is making arrangements to provide financial assistance for Kimoy Campbell's care. Kimoy is a Jamaican runner who collapsed during competition in the United States on Saturday and has been hospitalized since the incident.
I will asked the Sports Development Foundation to assist with its immediate needs, and they're on standby to do so.
Minister Grange says Caenwood is registered with the Jamaica Athletes Insurance Program and is able to access benefits under the scheme. She's encouraging other athletes to join the scheme.
The Jamaica Athletes Insurance Plan is there for all athletes. They should be registered through their federation and associations. But if they are not registered through these bodies, then they can make direct contact with my ministry to be on the plan. The plan covers life, health, and accident, and it also covers maternity.
The sport minister says she has reached out to Caenwood's family and will continue to pray for his speedy recovery. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.